Today, we'll be installing the Flyer Cubby kit. Remove all hardware from the bag and organize it by size on a table. To make assembly easier, pre-install the lock washer and then the flat washer on the associated bolts. Hook the front A-frame onto the front of the rear rack, align the holes, and pass that bolt hardware through the bottom and only hand tighten it for now. We'll come back through and secure it at the end of the assembly. Align the rear A-frame with the rear of the rear rack, align the holes, and add the hardware, but again, do not tighten it fully at this stage. Pre-assemble your left and right side rails by aligning the bumpers with the openings on the front and rear. Fully insert the bumpers to the side rail, pass the barrel bolt through the hole, and use the screw to secure the barrel bolt in place. You'll need to use 2 Allen keys to fully tighten these bolts. Repeat those steps for the other side. Align the open bumper ends with the openings on the A-frames. Press in fully, then grab a barrel bolt, install it, and fully tighten it at this stage. Do the same for the rear bumper. Repeat those steps for the other side rail. Now is when we'll go back in and fully secure the hardware that hold the A-frame to the rear rack. So grab your Allen key and fully snug up all of the bottom facing hardware. Now's a good time to go back in and tighten all of the other hardware we installed. For installation of the footboards, note the left and right side as indicated by the sticker. We'll start with the right side by aligning the holes on the footboard with the holes for the footboard on the frame. Grab our large bolt hardware with washers pre-installed, feed it through the hole, and gently thread it into the frame by hand. Once both bolts are aligned, grab your Allen key and fully tighten these bolts. Repeat these steps for the other side. Pre-install your taillight into the taillight shroud. Pass the bolts fully through, then align that shroud assembly with the rear A-frame and secure in place with the nuts on the other side. Use the small wrench included with your original e-bike toolkit to fully tighten this hardware. Using the taillight extension wire, connect to the harness on the taillight. And to the harness on the bike. Tuck that cable into the A-frame. Use a zip tie to hold the cable in place. Fully tighten it and snip the end. The seat pads will snap into place. Align the clips with the round tube and gently push back. You should hear a soft click. Repeat for the bottom seat pads. And for the front bottom seat pad. Note the front seat pad has that slanted face pointing forward. And now you're ready to roll.